Welcome to 4th Standard Computer Science online class. Today we are discuss lesson 5 question answers. So all of you take your computer science note, then copy the question answers. The first one, how do you apply drop cap feature to text in document? Answer, to apply a drop cap feature, follow the given step. First point, click in the paragraph which we want to begin with a drop cap letter. Second, click on the Insert tab. Third, click on the drop cap button from text group. Fourth one, choose the dropped or in margin option from the list. You can see the changes in your paragraph. Okay. The second question, explain the different options that show up in the change case drop down list. Answer, the different options that show up in the change case drop down list are as follows. Case, sentence case, description. This makes the first letter of first word in a sentence capital. Lowercase, this is used to convert the text into lowercase. Uppercase, this is used to convert the text into uppercase. Capitalized each word. These make the first letter of each word capital. Toggle case. These reverse the case of each letter. All of you copy the second question. Okay. The third one. How do you use the thesaurus in Word? Answer. Thesaurus is a completion of words followed by their synonyms and sometimes antonyms. MS Word has inbuilt thesaurus which gives alternation for words and also antonyms. To use the thesaurus, follow the given steps. First point, select the word from which you want to hear synonyms or sometimes antonym. Second point, click on the Review tab. Third, click on the thesaurus in the proofing group. The thesaurus taskbar will appear on the right side of the screen. Fourth, we can view various synonyms and sometimes antonyms for the typed word. Select the word in right one. Fifth, right click on the word. A list of options will appear. Click on the insert option from the list. The selected word will get replaced with the new word pun. Fourth one, what are the various buttons that are part of spelling taskbar? Answer, the various buttons that are part of the spelling taskbar are buttons, description, change. It is used to change the current highlighted word only. Change all. This button change all the instance of the word in the entire document. Ignore once. This button used to when no corrections are required and we want to ignore the suggest word. Ignore all. It ignores all the occurrence of the word in the document. add. This button is used to add a word to the dictionary. Okay. The fifth one. What is the difference between replace and replace all button in the find and replace dialog box? Answer. Replace is used to replace the particular word or text with a new word or text in a document. Replace all button is used to replace all the occurrence of the searched word. Okay. The next application based question. Ramesh has rather good vocabulary in English, but his grammar knowledge is poor. Is there a way in MS Word that can help his grammar? Answer. Spelling and grammar feature ensure that the document contains no error. So it will help Ramesh in his grammar. Okay. The second application based question. Sunanda is a poet. She often has to find synonyms for words in order to have rhyming word. What tool of MS Word can help her find out synonyms and of words? Answer. Thesaurus Future will help Sunanda to find out synonyms of words. Okay. Application, all of you complete the application based question also. Then complete the activity page. Then study question answers. Ma. Okay. Thank you, students.